Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to replace wiper blades on your Porsche Macan. First, ensure your vehicle is off. Then, put the wiper arms into their service position, which is usually accessed through the infotainment system or by holding the stalk down. Gently lift each arm away from the windshield, being careful not to scratch the glass. Locate the small release tab on the wiper blade itself. Now let's remove the old blades. With the arm lifted, press the release tab firmly. This will unlock the blade from its attachment point. Then, slide the old wiper blade straight off the arm's hook. Once the blade is free, gently lower the wiper arm back towards the windshield, but do not let it snap down, as this could damage the glass. You can place a towel down for extra protection. Now for the exciting part, frying. Load your prepared dough into a piping bag equipped with a large star tip. This gives churros their signature ridges. Heat approximately 4 cups of vegetable oil in a sturdy pot to precisely 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully pipe 3 to 4 inch lengths of dough directly into the hot oil. Fry them for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until they achieve a beautiful, deep golden brown color and are wonderfully crisp. Finally, let's complete the installation and test. Gently lower both wiper arms back onto the windshield. Turn on your vehicle's ignition and activate the wipers. Observe their operation carefully. They should move smoothly across the glass, providing a clear, streak-free wipe. If you notice any issues, double-check the installation of each blade. You've successfully replaced your Porsche Macan's wiper blades.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.